This is a 58mm Swiss Army knife. It's the Mini Champ, and these are Versa58 scales. These are titanium scales. This one is the pen, and this one is the clip, obviously. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to take these off, and I'm going to show you two different methods to do so. The first method I like is holding it just like this. So I'm going to be applying pressure to this scale as I depress this lever. So I'm pushing down this lever with my fingernail, and at the same time pushing with my thumb, and it pops right off. So let's try that with the clip scale. Same thing, depressing down and pushing with my thumb, and it pops off. While we're here, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to put these back on. So I'm just aligning the rivets with the cutouts on the bottom of the interface plate here. These bigger holes, I'm lining them up. And then I'm going to apply pressure here so that it pushes that lever in, and then I'm going to slide it forward, and you heard it click, and now it's not going anywhere. Very easy to attach Versa58 scales. Now, if you have really nice fingernails, you just got a manicure, and you don't want to depress this little lever with your fingernail, you can use a tool. Any flat metal tool, a screwdriver. This is the Keyport rush tool. You can use that to depress the lever just like this, and it works the same exact way. Now for the second method, I'm actually going to use a tabletop, and I'm going to depress the scale into the table as I push the lever and push it down. So I have it at an angle here on the pin scale, kind of on the edge of this. You need to watch out for the keyring loop, which is more of a factor on the thinner Swiss Army knife versions, but you don't want to be pushing directly into the keyring loop or nothing will happen. So angle it so the edge of the scale is on the table, and then I'm going to depress the lever with my thumb and push down, and it pops right off.